Hello, everyone. Are you ready to turn your dreams of becoming a media mogul into reality? If so, my name is Joshua T. Berglan, and I'm here to tell you about Media Company in a Box, the ultimate package that provides everything you need to create a thriving media business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your existing venture to the next level, Media Company in a Box offers a full suite of services designed to help you succeed in the competitive world of media. From branding and marketing to website development and content creation, we've got you covered. And with our expert guidance and support, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to thrive in this ever-evolving industry. We'll work with you every step of the way to ensure your success. But that's not all. Every purchase of Media Company in a Box supports a great cause. A portion of the proceeds goes towards the Live Mono Worldwide Foundation, a nonprofit media organization committed to promoting positive change through media and storytelling through our Buy One, Give One program. So not only will you be achieving your media dreams, but you'll also be making a difference in the world. What more can you ask for? Don't wait to turn your media dreams into reality. Click the link below to schedule a free discovery call and learn about how Media Company in a Box can help you achieve your goals. We look forward to working with you and helping you create a successful media business.